Chinese is like. Ah, on the court playing. Miguel Agassi and Charles Nadal. Whoops. Nice catch. Here also the Sharapovas. Sharapova mo dua? Ay, Hantachova mo ka. Christine Hantachova on the red shirt. And Ayana Sharapova on the blue shirt. Pardon. Come on. Here we go. Sharapova, the pull-out girl. Nice backhand. Wala zoom ani kuya. Continue na nako. Change place. Let's now focus to Ayana Sharapova. Nice, nice. Here's Miguel Agassi. Sayang, wala nakuha. Later. Now, let's focus to... Oh no, what a stroke. Play ball. Yes, another change place. On the bird's eye view. Choco. Hindi ko sure. Kasi siya kabantay sa... Mon! Woo!
Carlo. Ayana versus Charles, the #1 player in Singapore. Versus Ayana, #1 player in Apovel.
Ay, saan si Choco ba? Choc! Doubles! Wala ko yung number ni mo, doubles ta. Ah! Count sa daw siya. Text na wala ko yung number ni mo, doubles ta. Okay, standing. Kaya ka nang ka-serve si Ayana.